Another flood warning got issued. This time for my area. Again. For Belmont, Ohio.
64. Newcastle, rain and fog, 66. Latrobe, light rain, 66. Washington, 64. And Erie, light rain and fog, 62. Once again, at Zanesville, 66 degrees with rain and fog, and Wheeling, 67 with rain and fog.
Weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Harrison and Jefferson, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall in Ohio, and
So I got
Washington.
NWS fixed for flood warning for Belmont County in Ohio.
Has issued a flood warning for southeastern Jefferson County and east central Ohio.
Should be relayed soon.
Harrison County and east central Ohio.
Because
Washington
Belmont
County
County is where I
southwestern
live.
Pennsylvania. Brooke County in northern West Virginia. Ohio County in northern West Virginia. Central Marshall County in northern West Virginia.
I don't really mind if it's not from my county. It's from my town.
Radar moderate rain continuing over areas that have received 2 to 3 inches of general rainfall today. Flooding of low-lying areas and
Oh, Belmont.
Until 4:30 a.m.
4:30.
10:32 p.m. Radar indicated light to moderate rain moving over Belmont Count, where a general 2.5
Count.
to 3.5 inches had
Count.
already fallen. Several creeks remain out of their banks, and more flooded roads and basements are expected before rainfall and runoff taper off later tonight. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters.
So I got NWS fixed for flood warning for Belmont County, Ohio until 4:30 a.m. Wednesday.
262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather message
Hey.
for the following counties.
Hey, it's supposed to be
Harrison,
zone
and Jefferson, and the following
12, 5,
counties
2, 1,
in West
6 hours,
Virginia,
which is how long it
Brooke,
usually
Marshall,
lasts.
and Ohio, and Washington.
Well, for this one, it actually is 6 hours. So, thanks for watching, guys.